Welcome to part 2 of the Brother SE700 Embroidery Setup. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with the Artspira app for embroidery designs. When you buy this machine new, or if you've had it for a few months, there will usually be updates to the computer system that you're going to need to do. When you see that this internet button has an exclamation point, it means it's time to update. Click the button and then it will say check for updates, and go ahead and press start. And just say OK to this message agreeing to the terms. Now it says insert USB media. You're going to need to download the update to a flash drive from the Brother website. I have pasted the link directly to the update page in this description. Once there, type the model number SE700 and that'll take you to the download page. Choose Mac or Windows, and then choose which operating system you have and click OK. This will bring you to the download link. Click the Update Software link here, and the file will download to your computer. Then plug in a USB drive and drag the file to it. Eject the USB from your computer once it's finished. Now, back to the machine, plug that USB in. You can see we have page 1 of 2, so press this button to go to the next screen, and then press Start. The machine will automatically find the right file on that USB. Just make sure you don't turn the machine off or remove the flash drive. This will take some time. Okay, and now the update can be installed. Leave the USB in, and we're going to turn off the machine. Then hold the needle position button down and turn the machine back on. So here we go. And now it says to press this load button, again making sure the USB is inserted. So you can go ahead and let go of the needle button and then let the machine save the file. This can take some time too. It will give you a status percentage. This took my machine about 5 minutes to complete. And there we go, update complete. Now you can remove that USB and turn the machine off. Turn it back on and give it a minute to reconnect to the internet. And there you go, it's connected again to the internet and the update has been installed. Now let's get into the Artspira app. The same thing here, let's make sure the app is updated. To do that, go to the App Store, click on this emoji up in the upper right, and then scroll down. If the app needs to be updated, it'll show here, and there'll be a button to update it. Mine is all up to date. Make sure the sewing machine is on and internet ready for this next part. Open the Artspira app, and you'll see this blue icon at the top right. This is how we're going to connect the embroidery machine to the app. Click on that, and then the top option is Embroidery Machine. And click the Connect button. Then it will tell you to make sure the machine is on and connected to the internet. And once that's done, click Next. Now it's going to tell you to get to the Artspira screen on your machine. To do that, click this menu button here, and then go to the very last page, page 12. Once there, click the Register button, and then scroll to page 3. This is the page that gives you your unique machine number. Enter that number into the Artspira app. The app will then give you a PIN code to enter back into the machine. On the machine, press the Next Screen button and click Next. This will give you the screen to type in that PIN code. Click OK, and then OK on this next screen. It'll take some time to process and connect. Once it's done, press the Next button on the app. In part 3, I'm going to show you all the free designs this app has, and also go over how to transfer your own design to your machine. You can also draw a design in the app and then transfer that to the machine as well. So be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss it, and until then, happy sewing!